If you want to make $10,000 a month in personal profit for your business and you are building a personal brand, then this video is for you, my friend, because I am doing exactly this, going from absolutely broke, zero, no money in the bank to 10K a month personal profits. All right. And this is what I do. I build a company through X, email list, newsletter, and then obviously on YouTube right now. And my business is to help creators, consultants with their outreach on X, okay? And I handle all of the outreach part. That way they don't have to make time, for that, to get sales in the pipeline and to make money, okay? And I do that exactly for them, and I take commissions out of all of the sales I am making for them. So that's a pretty good business because indeed my offer is super simple, okay? I do this, and this and that, and then upfront I take no fees. And because I take no fees, it's super easy for me to sell my offer. And right now, and if you have followed, the last video, I know there has been maybe like 1 week in between. So I crashed my laptop first of all, but I found a solution to make for it. It's fine. And when you've got some hardship, you've got two positions, okay? Either you just cry about it, or either you just outgrow the weak version of yourself. You get some skills, and yeah, you just find solutions. All right. So that's what I did. Anyway, so yeah. If you saw the last video, I didn't have any clients, okay? This changed, actually, because right now I've got 5 clients to work with. I'm super fucking happy about it. Though it went so smoothly and so naturally that I don't feel I have clients. Probably because I didn't receive any money in my bank account right now, even though I signed those clients. But since my offer is free, until I get them results, it's very easy to sell, obviously, but therefore I don't get the feeling of, wow, this is amazing. But it's a complete change from the position where I was before, which is I'm just growing, my account on X, I'm just growing my email list, and I wasn't actually making any money with it and all that stuff, to I actually have some clients to work with and to produce results for, and therefore make money, okay? And I take 50% commission out of every sale I make. I do everything, and that's why very soon, ASAP, I'm gonna have a team. I'm gonna have a team of either freelancers for some redundant stuff, a few things I can see already, and yeah, but that's so cool. And I'm so happy, so excited about it. So big news, got 5 more clients, and I cannot actually handle more than that. So I don't do DMs and promotions anymore right now at the moment. Anyway, so if you are new to this channel, I do invite you to subscribe, okay? Click just subscribe and you will see other videos, and I'm documenting my journey to go from 0 to 10K a month, okay? Building my personal brand and my service-based company. My name is Anthony, and for the past 9 years, I built a freaking ton of companies and projects, but failing dramatically at most of it, okay? Yeah, because you're young, you're immature, you don't have the skills, you don't have the experience, the awareness and all, and then you just make mistakes, okay? Or there's a more shiny object in front of you that you just want to grab, therefore you just quit the project that you started. And so on and on and on and on and on. I guess there's a lot of people doing that. They have a shiny object syndrome, It's crazy because you always want to go where you are not actually, where you think there's more opportunities, but usually the grass isn't greener elsewhere, okay? Yes, maybe if you live in Egypt, for example, the grass will definitely be greener in France or, but that's just to say you just need to stick with something long enough and to persist and to be consistent with it so that it produces results, okay? And maybe your thing is, I don't know, to make pans or to cook or to just play video games or whatever, okay? And you think, yeah, but that can't be a business, right? How can I make money with it? It's not a proper business. It's not a proper structure. Who cares? Just do that. Record it, document it, write about it, do something, create a blog. But because you have interest in something, okay, what you need is just to stick with it and to develop skills and to develop taste also with it. and to make sure that you know your subject very well, okay? And after making 100 videos, for example, you will definitely be better off than the one starting with the first one. You will definitely be greater and better off. But the only thing is to just start. You just need to start. You just need to go and be consistent with it. You start, you do one more and one more and one more. And the secret sauce is you need, after each one of those reps, to improve, okay? Just 1% better. What can I twist a little bit? What can I do? Can I refine the thumbnail right here? Can I refine my audio quality? Can I refine the way I speak? Can I refine my script if I have any? Can I refine the title? Whatever, okay? But you need to improve every single time, and just 1% by 1% by 1%, okay? It's a real key. But the thing is, you need to start with something, somewhere. And right now, maybe you are doing a job or a business or whatever, or you are studying, and it doesn't please you very much. It doesn't satisfy you at the core being. You don't need to quit everything. You just need to find something you are curious about, something that you are naturally curious about, and to just go deeper into it, deeper down the road. And that's pretty cool, okay? For me, because my core things are, I love to speak, I love to write, I love to listen, I love to teach, I love to, to make things, to create things and all, and to be with people, to connect with others. Those are the kind of stuff that I love to do the most, okay? To communicate, to sell, all that stuff. Yeah, I love to sell, by the way. Because I believe that the moment you can sell something that truly has value for other people, you are really doing them a service. Anyway, so yeah, those are my core things. I didn't have a certain passion for a certain topic, a specific one, but I'm like, what can I do that could actually sell in the market and that I could do for long, right? Yeah, I can definitely create a business around this topic of helping others with their marketing, with their outreach, with selling and all that stuff, because then I will be able to engage a team and to grow, to scale way more, and yeah, to be a real business, you know. And what I love to do the most is this people part, this team part, you know, of the business, and is the selling part, the communication one. And yeah, so that's something really I love. And I know it's not my passion, but business is my passion. People are my passion, okay? So that way I thought about a way to market this passion into something that people can actually buy and want to buy. But you don't even need to find a proper business, you know? You just need to find something that you like and that you're curious about, and then you will find some other ideas in between to just help you structure it and make it a business, okay? To make people pay you for that. And that's right. So find the skills, find your passion, your curiosity, if you don't have a passion, and just go with it. Anyway, okay? So that's about it. So that was the update for this documentation. Today is day 52, by the way. Because it's been 52 days since I'm recording these videos, and right now I've got maybe 11 subscribers. It's not a lot, it's not at all, and nobody watches those videos except maybe 2 friends of mine, but that's it. But anyway, I think it's a pretty cool thing to be on YouTube, and we've covered a lot of stuff from those 52 days, okay? And yes, I haven't recorded every single day because it's freaking hard to do so while running a business, and sometimes I run into some technical trouble, so I really literally cannot. But anyway, it's fine, and I do recommend you to go into watching some of the videos previously. You will really find those helpful. And yeah, if you're building a personal brand, if you're building on any social media, and most importantly, if you're building on X or a newsletter, all that stuff, then it will really help you. And it's at least to give you some perspective on what it takes truly to go from 0 to 10K a month, okay? I'm not a genius per se in business, okay, and doing all that, but I believe I'm pretty good, and certainly I've got some skills: communication, persuasion, selling, and copywriting, all that stuff. That's why I believe I can help greatly my clients on X to grow with their outreach. If that interests you, by the way, just watch look at the lead magnet, meaning the link I have put below this video. Okay, you just click on it, and it's going to be a great guide, a very, very great guide, very, very easy to read, and all, just to show you exactly what it takes to get some clients. Okay, some strategy, DMs, cold outreach. No, I mean not cold outreach, because I'm transforming cold outreach into warm outreach. But yeah, for you to really get leads ASAP. Okay, so, and whatever, it works on X, it works on LinkedIn, it works on every social media for that matter, and I believe it's a great value. It's of great value. So click on the link below if you wish to have it, and yeah, give me some news. Tell me how it was, and I would be happy to just have you on the call. Right now, I really cannot handle more clients, but it will change, because I will be able to handle way more in the coming weeks and months. So anytime, and you can just go onto the wait list and all. It's fine. Okay, I wish you the best, and if you have any questions, please do reach out in the comments. That would be my sincere pleasure to hear from you. And yeah, do follow, click on the follow, okay, so you miss none of the following content anymore. Okay, I wish you the best, and take care. That was Anthony.